The printing function is accessed from the File tab on the ribbon. Click on the File tab. Click Print from the list item. This is the print preview area. Enter the number of copies to print. Select the printer to print your document. Here you will see a list of available printers. I don't have a printer attached, but I can choose to print to a PDF writer, so my presentation will be saved as a PDF file. Adjust your print settings. Select what you want to be printed. Select to print all slides, just the current slide, or a custom range of slides. If you select to print a custom range, set the range of slides to print. Example 10 to 15. We are printing all slides, so no need to enter a range. Set how many slides to print per page. Select an option. We want to print one slide per page and C as the default. Collated defines how the pages will be arranged when printed. Select if you want your slides printed in color or black and white. Click the printer properties to select to print in landscape or portrait mode. Select an option from the list item. Click the OK button. And finally click the Print button to send your file to the printer. And that's it. You may now exit this demo. Or click the Replay button to watch this demo again.